Hi, I'm Adam, and some of you have been subscribed to me for a while now. Some of you might have just clicked on this video for the first time. So, hello. Today, I am officially 150 days without alcohol. That's something I never thought I could do before I started skateboarding again, because my wife got pregnant. Then she ended up in the hospital with our newborn for about 100 days. I think when she tells the story, it's 99 days. So maybe she came home on the 100th day. I needed a tool to help me put down the bottle, because I just drank all the time. So I needed something to fill that time. Started skateboarding again because it's something I did in my 20s. But what I've learned putting away alcohol in my life is probably the biggest thing I've learned putting it away for 150 days is that my life was and still is quite cluttered. Less cluttered now because I started working on things. For instance, just going to the store, the amount of money I was spending, the amount of time to and from the store, and then just bottles and cans everywhere all the time. Going to the recycling is just mounds of time and clutter. And I think what I've learned from just really not skateboarding but not drinking is that the more I declutter, the happier I am. And skateboarding allows me to access like an instant flow state. So it provides me with exercise, it provides me with a feeling of balance and achievement each day. And the ramp has just become like a safe place where I can access that and clear my head. Once again, this decluttering effect is taking place. Realizing that some things just finally need to go away and be put away. So we're having a yard sale. Space and what I do with it has become just important to me as a dad, decluttering my life in aspects that keep her safe or make room for her needs. Maybe we can make some money from this yard sale and put it in a savings account for her. My daughter started walking at the end of January, and shortly after that, she found the front door that leads to the outside world, and just exploring and seeing the world through her eyes as she experiences all these things for the first time, and I get to see that from her perspective. That's been more important than skating every day, but I don't think I would have enabled myself to be present for all that if I hadn't started skating again. I'll be wearing my helmet in videos from now on because I got just kind of careless there from a while. I'm still kind of healing up from a knee injury from last month, and I just realized that I'm getting older, and if I want to keep pushing myself at skating, there are going to be some risks. And why risk my brain? Why risk my mind? And I want to set a better example for people watching the channel, or my daughter, if she watch his daddy skate in the future, I would hate for anyone in my family to um, have to take care of me if I, hurt my brain because of something I loved. So yeah, it might not be the coolest look, but it is so cool to protect your brain.